Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina, and today I'm going to share with you some of my new Sézane additions to my closet. If you're new here, you probably don't know, but I am a little bit of a Sézane addict. I have quite a few pieces that I've accumulated over the past several years, and I like to kind of share what my favorites are, what I'm adding, what I'm subtracting, all of that good stuff. So let's just jump into it. This is several pieces that I've accumulated since August. Yeah, do with that information what you will. Please don't judge. The first piece that I want to share is this jacket. And this is the Farel Jacket from Sézane. When I saw it online as part of the fall collection, fall drop, I was like, yes, I got to have that. I loved the plaid. I used to have a tartan plaid wool jacket that was quilted. I got that 2 seasons ago and I thought I would love it. Barely wore it, so I ended up rehoming that, and I was like, this would be the best print for me because of the green and the pop of orange. I thought it would be great. I also really just love quilted jackets. I have one black one that I wear nonstop all the time in this like cooler weather, beginning and end of winter. So yeah, I was really excited when this one arrived. I love the interior. I love that it's all green. I wish it was like fully reversible. I guess if I remove the tags, technically I could kind of make it reversible, except for the buttons. But when this arrived, I was on vacation when I ordered it during the drop, and it was here when I arrived. I picked it up, I tried it on, I tried to love it, and I really just don't think that it's going to fit as like seamlessly into my wardrobe as I thought. So I actually have not even removed the tags. I haven't worn it once since August, which makes me so sad because this is not an inexpensive piece. And so, yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to try it on. I'll show you and maybe try to style it. Maybe this would be a good one to do like a styling challenge with. But yeah, I brought the Farel into my wardrobe. I kind of think that maybe getting the white version might be smarter for me. Like that actually might suit me a little bit better. Like just be a simpler, easier piece to style. The other thing about this is that it's only 60% wool, it's 25% polyester, and then it's 10% polyamide and other fibers, which typically I have a hard rule of like only natural fibers from Sézane, but I thought since this is outerwear, I knew the interior was going to be synthetic. I thought maybe it would work, but I think that's part of the reason I don't love this is that the fabric feels cheap to me. It feels very stiff as well. So on top of the colors maybe not being the best for my wardrobe, the fabric also isn't luxurious feeling, which is a bit of a bummer. Anyway, that's the Farel jacket. Tag still on. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Might try to style it a little bit more. Another piece that I recently purchased from Sézane is this blouse. And I actually don't remember the name of this blouse. I kind of constantly forget. Actually, it should be on the tag. This one is called the Louna, Louna. And if you, I'm not really a floral girl too often, but if you see what I'm wearing now, I actually bought this one because I thought it was very similar in cut to the one that I'm wearing. And I love this top so much. I've gotten so much wear out of it through many seasons too. Like I've worn it in the summer, I'm wearing it now in the winter, I've worn it all through the fall, and definitely I'd wear it in the spring too. So I thought maybe having a lighter version, and this one I really loved because the flowers are embroidered on, so it's really nice like texture. And then I love a stripe, and it's cream with like a navy pinstripe. I thought, oh, this is really beautiful, and it'll be really nice for spring as well, and like layering under things to give like a little bit more interest to outfits. I like the cut of this. I don't love the collar. I'm hoping that that will soften up over time a little bit more. The ruffle close to my neck is just a little bit like irritating, but I do think that this fabric will soften up. And as far as the sleeves, it's very similar to this one where it's pretty tight around my wrists. I actually usually wear this one unbuttoned just to make it like feel a little bit more casual. Yeah, and overall I really like this shirt. It's just a little bit thicker weight fabric than the one that I'm wearing, which I think because this is such a thin, light cotton, that's part of the reason why I love it and it feels so comfortable to me. I'm pretty sure this is 100% cotton. Let me double check. Yeah, 100% cotton. The embroidery is polyester thread, which is expected. And it's a really sweet and pretty piece. I think that especially in the fall, but more so in the spring, I would reach for this. So yeah, I'll try this on as well. The next piece that I'm going to share with you is probably my favorite thing I've purchased all year, I dare say, and that is this sweater. This is 100% yak wool. I got it in the gray, and I just wear it so much. I've only had it for maybe a month or so, but I've been wearing it nonstop.
Okay, so unfortunately my audio went out and I did not realize until I went to edit this video. So here I'm just trying on the Lauren sweater. It's really warm, very beautiful. Like this is my favorite sweater this season for sure. And yeah, it's super architectural. I think that's what I like the most about it, and the proportions are really nice. So I'm going to speed this up. Two more items. I have some accessories that I want to show you that I picked up recently. One of them is in this cute little pouch, and it's actually my very first belt from Sézane. I love their belts. I love how they style statement belts, but I am not one for super poppy colors or really ornate buckles. And so when I saw this, I knew it had to be mine. This is a brown, kind of cognac or whiskey colored leather with a round like a round circular buckle. And then it has this off-white embroidery squiggle line down the entirety of it. And yeah, I'm just totally in love with this belt. I'll show you what it looks like now. So as you can see, it's a high waist belt. I got it in the smallest size so that it would kind of cinch at the waist and not have a whole lot of extra leather hanging off. And I want to wear this with my dresses that kind of need a little bit more just cinch occasionally, like my more boxy dresses, wider dresses. The next accessory is this super cute little pouch. I really like Sézane's small leather goods. I haven't tried out any of their leather bags yet because I've heard mixed reviews on their like quality, but I do really like their small leather goods. Like I have I think here I was talking about how I have the card case and it's like embossed with my name. Love that. I use it all the time in my small bags. And I feel like I might have something else, but this pouch in particular I got because it has a little keychain clip and I wanted to use it specifically for my keys to keep my house keys from scratching up things inside my bag, and they fit perfectly. And then if I want to, I can clip them on the outside as well. And I clip this in my bag and to my bag, so it's kind of like a little key charm as well. Like I just really like it, and it's really just perfect for my needs. Surprise, I have two more pieces that I am going to unbox today for you. They just arrived in the mail when I was filming this video, so here we go. I'm really excited. Unfortunately, they didn't come in like the beautiful patterned typical Sézane boxes. It's just brown on the outside, but they were really pretty on the inside. And let's see what I got. So first, my order came with not one, but two freebies. Totally didn't expect that when I went to purchase. One is this little gift pouch that I've already used for a Christmas present. It was just one of those add-ons, and they're very cute. They have like velvet ribbon, and it's like very stiff paper, and you just stick your little gift in there, and really adorable. Great for clothes, so you don't have to like find a box or anything. It's lovely. The second gift, which I'll show you now, the second one actually came in one of those small little pouches, which is really cute. I absolutely repurposed that. I'll be giving someone a gift out of that baggie after. But inside was a really pretty yellow colored velvet ribbon. And as you can see there, it's like a hair clip. And so, yeah, super cute. Nice little add-on, very festive. I'll definitely be wearing that in my hair, probably Christmas Day. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, now on to what I actually ordered. I got two pieces from Sézane. One of them is actually from the men's line, October. And so I'll show you what that is. It is for me, although I have ordered from October before for my partner. And yeah, I really liked the pieces that I've gotten him. I got for myself the Geron like striped shirt. And this, if you saw one of my last videos, I was actually decluttering the Gatsby Marinier that I had, and I was looking for something to replace that. And this is exactly that. I'll show you a little bit of a try on. I was uncertain how the men's line would fit on me, but I absolutely love this. I love how long it is. You might have seen in my last video how I didn't like how short the Gatsby hit on me. And so this is great, a great tuckable length. It's not too boxy, it's not too oversized. It can tuck in and look really chic. Okay, and now for the last piece of this collection haul, etc. And this is the Maurice Jumper. So this is also 100% yak wool, just like the Lauren Jumper. And so I know I told you the Lauren Jumper is my favorite piece earlier. This, since I've been wearing it, is now my second favorite, or maybe my first favorite. They're both competing. Absolutely love their yak wool sweaters. I think they're super warm, super beautiful, thick, high quality. Like, they are phenomenal. And so, yeah, I got this in black, very simple crew neck style instead of having like the mock neck turtleneck. And I'll show you the try on right now. So you'll see that the fit through the body of the Maurice is very similar as the fit through the Lauren Jumper's body. Like, it feels basically the same. It's the same cut. The only big difference is the neckline. And so I think that's why I love these so much. I feel I could definitely size up, but I have enough oversized, like boyfriend style sweaters where I like that these ones are a little cropped, a little fitted, even show a little bit of wrist so I can show off some like arm candy. I love them. So that's all I have for you today. These are all of my Sézane recent additions. I hope that this was helpful seeing some try-ons, and thanks for watching.